Good afternoon, everybody. I finally finished my Laurie Marie December challenge in mid-January. It isn't quite the middle of the month, but it's close. It ended up being a very chunky monkey. Once I put the tags in, it's just exploding. I wanted to show you the texture that I've got on the cover. And of course my dangles. And this is the back cover. You have to have the back cover as pretty as the front cover. So what I thought I would do is do a flip through for you and show you how it all came out. I'm going to, let's see, let's get it open and then I'll zoom in a little bit so you can see. Well, actually, it's going to be pretty close there, so let me come in there. That's about as close as I can get. There are 3 signatures, and I'm only going to page through one of them because they're all pretty much the same. They may have a little bit different. The wallpaper I used is a little bit different, and the likes of that. Again, I think I should have controlled my wanting to put more papers in it, and it might have not been quite so fat, but having it fat's kind of fun. So the outside of each signature is a sheet of wallpaper because I knew that it would be sturdy, and so is the inside sheet. So the very middle sheet is always, I've got outside and inside of each signature wallpaper. And I made pockets, and I made tags to go in the pockets. I used dictionary paper and quotes about music. I used the paper from the book that I used the cover. This is the book cover is it was a book, class book, a textbook about music. And so I did do that. This page flips out. I put in a couple sheets of deli wrap. Now these were bigger, so what I did was I cut the sheet and it folds up. I did not make a pocket out of it because I didn't think the deli wrap was sturdy enough to make a pocket out of it. I had music paper, and again these images were from the book, and I took images of different instruments and I just put them on sheets of coffee dyed paper so that there's lots of place to write in this book. This one's just got a little tab. I do like having the pages gessoed already. It gives the background. I didn't like the texture of the gesso, so I did put Mod Podge over it, and I'm still having a little bit of sticking even though I've put some glue in the Mod Podge. So this is just some text weight paper. This is a page from a hymnal, so again a music page. This is a advertising page that I made a pocket out of, and it's wrapped with music paper and it has another tag in it. And again, another deli wrap sheet with things. I used all kinds of things out of the textbook. This is more like a cardstock weight of advertisement, and I happened to have punched some holes in it. I didn't worry about it. Again, another image. I just realized that image is on sideways instead of up and down. Oh well, I'm not worrying about it. This is a tag and another sheet of the writing paper. All of the tags are cardboard like on the back so that you can write on them. And we have gotten to our center where we have another sheet of the wallpaper so that it's sturdy in the center. I used some of the sheets that I did not use. These are double layers of paper bag that I embossed. And some of these are used on the cover, and I used some for pockets. And there's another tag and another writing sheet. This page, this is a strip of the paper bag embossed stuff, and then I made it into a belly band. This is another sheet of the deli wrap. Again, this one folds out and has pocket. And this is another tag. I had fun with the tags. I've had fun with this book. It's big and it's involved, but I had fun with it. This piece, this is a text-weighted piece of paper, and it was long. So I just, rather than tear it off or cut it off, I just folded it in. This is another tab that I made. It's just folded up paper. And again, I put some quotes about music. Lots of little pieces are sewn in just for the texture of sewing them in. There's another pocket. And this pocket actually extends off the edge of the page, and I let it because it's just going to be a tab kind of thing. And then this is another sheet to write on. Oh, that's another tag. And these, some of these tags have the beading, like are on the front cover. And that ends my first signature. Now you see what I'm talking about, that the papers are about the same. This one is kind of creamy color, and this one is more white. And like I said, the signatures are basically the same. So I'm not going to really flip through the whole thing. And each place there was a tag and papers. We have tags in this. The same, similar tags. They're not exactly the same, but they're very similar. I'll show you the last cover. You see this one's more white. This one has a bluish color to it. So that is my December challenge from Laurie Marie Jenkins' book. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you enjoyed the process videos while I was making it. I tried to not bore you with some of the long stuff. I sure am glad I made these ties as long as I did, because otherwise the book wouldn't close. But I really I just love how it came out, and I love how chunky it is, and that it's all fun and fat. So now let me read you a quote from our 1001 Ways to Creativity, and then I'll let you go so you can play and make some art. Everything in the world is connected. Creativity is about finding connections where they are least expected. I hope you guys have a great afternoon. Go have fun. Go enjoy. Go make some art. Bye-bye.